Well, you have seen the ads, Slick Productions promising to send you dollars for your old unwanted gold. But how does the Dollars for Gold guarantee really work? Consumer reporter Chris Olson is on your side tonight with a reality check.
Dollars for Gold will give you more cash for your gold than anyone else. That's our guarantee.
That TV ad led Jacob Alder to mail a diamond ring appraised at over $4,000 to Dollars for Gold. He wasn't expecting full value, maybe 10% of the appraised value.
I was hoping to get in the $400 to $500 range.
And what did you get?
$98.
$98.
Yeah. To be precise, $98.44.
Under $100 for a ring appraised at more than $4,000? Jacob was livid and called Dollars for Gold immediately.
And she said, "One moment, please." And she spoke to some supervisor, and she says, "I'm sorry, your item has been processed."
Dollars for Gold guarantee says that to get your jewelry back, you need to return the check so that it arrives back at their offices within 10 days of the date on the check. I contacted Canada Post to see what its standard delivery time was from Stouffville, Ontario, where the check was mailed from to Burnaby, BC. The answer is 8 days, plus 2 days for a weekend, plus the day the check was mailed. The total, 11 days just to get to Burnaby. That means that under normal circumstances, Jacob never had a chance to get the check back to Ontario in time to get his jewelry back. So much for the guarantee.
That's very likely where the Competition Bureau is going to get most interested.
That's our double G guarantee.
Competition expert Lindsay Meredith says the general impression of the ad is you'll be paid top dollar and have a rock-solid guarantee.
This becomes extremely difficult for the consumer to meet his side of the obligation.
And if they can't?
If they can't, that's where it becomes an issue of misleading advertising.
I called Dollars for Gold's toll-free customer service number.
I'm not allowed to even talk about anything at all. They won't let me.
She promised to forward my information on. I left messages